Looking for the top 5 best AirPods you can buy right now? Headphone. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top picks with the best sound quality, battery life, comfort, and value for your money, so you can choose the perfect pair without the guesswork. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews and smart buying guides. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Sony AirPods 4 Review. The Sony AirPods 4, a sleek pair of true wireless earbuds designed for everyday use. Built with lightweight, durable plastic and a smooth matte finish, these earbuds feel premium yet comfortable. The compact charging case easily fits in your pocket, making them perfect for travel, workouts, or daily commutes. The ergonomic design ensures a secure fit, while the solid build quality gives you confidence in long-term durability. What makes these better than many competitors is Sony's balanced sound tuning. You get clear vocals, deep bass, and crisp highs without distortion. Battery life is reliable, and the Bluetooth connection stays stable, even in busy environments. On the downside, the touch controls may take a little time to get used to, and noise isolation depends on fit. These earbuds are ideal for students, professionals, gym-goers, and anyone who wants quality audio without complicated features. Setup is simple. Just open the case, turn on Bluetooth on your phone, select the earbuds from the list, and you're ready to go. It's beginner-friendly and takes less than a minute. Overall, the Sony AirPods 4 offer strong performance, modern design, and dependable daily use. For more details and full specifications, see the description below. Number 2. Samsung AirPods 4 Review. The Samsung AirPods 4 feature a sleek, lightweight design with a smooth matte finish that feels premium in hand. The earbuds are compact, made with durable plastic and reinforced internal components for long-term use. They're sweat-resistant, comfortable for extended listening, and the charging case easily fits in your pocket, making them perfect for travel, work, or workouts. The overall build quality feels solid and reliable for daily use. What makes these better than many competitors is the balanced sound profile. You get clear vocals, deep bass, and crisp highs without distortion. The active noise control performs well for everyday environments, and call quality is sharp and natural. Battery life is strong enough to last through long commutes or workdays. On the downside, they work best within the Samsung ecosystem, so some advanced features may be limited on non-Samsung devices. Setup is simple. Just open the case near your Samsung phone, tap Connect, and you're ready to go. You can customize controls and sound settings directly from the Bluetooth menu. In my analysis, these are ideal for Samsung users who want premium sound, comfort, and seamless connectivity. For everyday listening, calls, and entertainment, they deliver excellent performance. If you want to learn more, see the description for more details. Number 3. Raycon AirPods 4 Review. The Raycon AirPods 4 feature a sleek, lightweight design with a smooth matte finish that feels premium in hand. The earbuds are compact, made from durable plastic with a solid charging case that easily fits in your pocket. They're built for everyday use, sweat-resistant, comfortable for long listening sessions, and designed to stay secure whether you're at the gym or on a commute. What makes them better than many competitors is their strong bass performance, clear call quality, and impressive battery life. The touch controls are responsive, and the Bluetooth connection is fast and stable. On the downside, audiophiles might feel the sound profile leans more toward bass than balanced studio sound, but for most users, it's punchy and enjoyable. Setup is simple. Just open the case, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and tap to connect. That's it, you're ready to go. In my analysis, Raycon AirPods 4 are ideal for students, remote workers, travelers, and anyone who wants reliable everyday earbuds without complications. If you want solid performance and a compact design, these are worth considering. See the description for more details. Number 4. Nothing AirPods 4 Review. The Nothing AirPods 4, you're in for a treat. These earbuds feature a sleek, minimalist design with a premium build that feels lightweight and durable, perfect for daily use. The transparent casing gives them a futuristic look, while the ergonomic design ensures they stay comfortable even during long listening sessions. So why choose these over other earbuds? The Nothing AirPods 4 deliver clear, crisp sound with deep bass and excellent noise isolation, making them stand out from the crowd. Plus, the touch controls and seamless wireless connectivity make everyday use effortless. On the flip side, while they're fantastic for music lovers and casual listeners alike, they may not have some advanced features that high-end headphones offer, like active noise cancellation at the same level as some premium models. Setting them up is super easy, just open the case near your device, pair, and you're ready to go. Perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a hassle-free experience. In my analysis, the Nothing AirPods 4 strike a great balance between style, performance, and portability. They're ideal for commuters, students, or anyone who loves sleek, functional earbuds. Don't miss out, see the description for more details. Number 5. JBL AirPods 4 Review. The JBL AirPods 4 are worth checking out. These earbuds feature a sleek, compact design with premium materials that feel durable yet lightweight, making them perfect for everyday use. The ergonomic fit ensures they stay comfortably in place during workouts, commutes, or just relaxing at home. So, why are these better than others? JBL's AirPods 4 deliver crisp highs, rich mids, and deep bass, giving you a full, immersive sound experience. The battery life is impressive, and the charging case is portable enough to take anywhere. The touch controls make it easy to play, pause, skip tracks, and even access your voice assistant with a tap. Of course, nothing is perfect. Some users might find the touch controls a little sensitive at first, and while they're excellent for casual listening, audiophiles may notice a slight difference compared to high-end models. These earbuds are perfect for students, professionals, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone looking for reliable, easy-to-use wireless earbuds. Setup is simple, just open the case near your device, follow the on-screen instructions, and you're ready to go. Overall, the JBL AirPods 4 balance sound quality, comfort, and convenience in a sleek package. If you want more details or to check them out, see the description below. Level up your videos, like and subscribe.